Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've collected the best new UX UI design tools, AI tools, which will help you out with your design tasks, but also a lot of cool resources which are just fun and easy to use. So let's check them out. Alright, so the first one is actually a Figma killer, if you know what I mean. Now this tool is still in a private invite only stage, but a lot of people have deemed that this is as good or even better than Figma. In a lot of ways, they are trying to become the next big design tool. And not only do they have unique features like shaders, where you can apply these unique effects, etc., to SVGs, images, but according to some of these behind-the-scene videos, there's an AI button, a 3D button, and much more that we haven't seen in Figma before. The entire layout is very similar to Figma, but they do some things there are some interesting things. For example, this fixed left-aligned toolbar on the left, which has all the tools that you need. The properties panel is much more detailed, and even the color palette picker that they have right now is quite unique and much more detailed than what you see in Figma. They're also working on bringing flex layouts and a lot of different CSS-based layouts, so you'll be able to create web-ready or development-ready designs quicker. They also have a unique dev mode, which they're showcasing to be an AI-powered dev mode, which can be really powerful. And I haven't gotten an invite yet, so I can't really tell you guys. But from what I've heard, this tool is very unique. They recently got a $4.2 million investment. That is a huge thing. A lot of design tools don't get that kind of investment as a seed investment. But if it has gotten this, must be something special. Again, you can get early access from their website. Just go to their website, paper.design, and there's a little enter your email and they'll send you an early access code. The next one is called Magic Path AI. And boy, is this a beautiful app. This app is in your browser, so you don't have to download anything. And the first one is, of course, describing your vision. So here you just type in your client brief or what you are looking for from a perspective, graphic perspective, and it will create assets and UI designs, etc. for you. It will also have some unique features like auto variants. You can quickly create variants of a single design that you've built up and will show it to you live. There's also like a free roam canvas, just like in Figma. So even though it's an AI tool, you can quickly edit stuff, auto all these variables, and develop something really cool in the browser. All the designs that it builds are natively responsive. That means they quickly become responsive. You can change the size of the screen and it auto adjusts, which is really cool. Best part is you can add functionality to your website or to your designs, and you can build design flows. So if you're designing like a user flow from one screen to the other, you can ask the AI to build another page which goes from one page to the other. That is really cool. I think that is something that I haven't seen in a lot of apps. Again, if Figma AI was a standalone tool, this would be that tool. I absolutely love Airbnb icons. Those little 3D icons that you see on the Airbnb app. They're isometric, they're 3D, and they look really cool in any app or website. There's an AI tool called Airbnb icons, which is perfect, which basically you can type in anything and it will give you a design right here live for free. For example, I want a ski dog on a skateboard. As you can see, it generated this. Anyone can look at this. It's public, but you can quickly go ahead and download this from here. A skateboard rolling, and I can quickly just say animate and it will generate an animation for me. But the fact that it's free and the fact that I could do this in a couple of seconds is insane. Again, you can remix this, you can download this, you can take it off. I think this is really cool. As you can see, the community is going crazy. It's created some really cool detailed stuff like this one right here. But go ahead, check it out. Design your next 3D icon with it. Pablo.design is a perfect website where you can just upload your logo and it will design an entire website based on your brand's identity. For example, let me upload the YouTube logo onto this website right here. Let me just drag and drop it, and it starts and it instantly creates this color palette, accent colors, etc. You need a site for web service that automates. So again, you can say a web or a mobile app, and you can say, hey, for a video streaming platform, and you just type in next. And of course, it gives you a few more options if you want to do it. Futuristic, ultra-modern, illustrative, last morphic, that. Let's try illustrative, design and visionary copy, friendly copy. I'll just say create your site. It's given me a bunch of options which I can choose from, and I can move on to our website. As you can see, with illustrative style, it has created this unique video streaming website. and it's given us given the logo and everything. And you can say start watching. Unfortunately, it's just this landing page and builds landing pages exceptionally well, but not detailed pages if you want. You can, of course, go ahead and customize this, change the text, change some of the layouts here and there. So a quick website design tool or a conceptualizing tool that you can use called Pablo.design, and it's free of cost, and you can upload any logo onto here. Now, my favorite illustration library of recently is deadillustrations.com. Now, a lot of people don't know, but they keep on updating this. Every couple of weeks, there's a new design pack. For example, this pop illustration pack is amazing. Look at this guy on the skateboard. It's amazing. Now, some of these illustration packs are paid. But if you go to illustrations and you check out, you say free only, it will show you all the amazing free assets. One of these are this free occupation illustration, which, as you can look, looks so premium. The fact that they're free is insane. You can even download this for Figma, Adobe Illustrator, SVG, PNGs, all the different formats you can get. And you can even download individual ones if you don't want to download the entire pack. Now, these illustrations are super high quality and they're unique, so not everyone's using these. I mean, some of these 3D ones, you feel like someone paid for them, but no, these are all free. You can get the paid ones, which are even more premium, and you can use it for your own brand. Now, remember, there was a time where there were wireframing tools only. Now we only use Figma, but there was Balsamic, for example, where you could just design wireframes. Well, buildertool.com, it's basically a Chrome extension, which you can get, of course, for Firefox and Edge and stuff like that as well. You can quickly just add these basic wireframe elements all over the place and design your own UI. It's quite unique and it helps you quickly conceptualize something, quickly bring a wireframe to life rather than, going into Figma, getting a wireframe UI kit, etc., etc. All that is here in your browser. I think just a little tool which I just had to mention looks pretty cool. Okay, how about an AI tool that designs presentations for us? Especially for designers, we want good presentations designed fast, quick. A tool that can embed Figma inside their presentations as well. All you need to do is type in what you are looking for, your presentation, add your assets, describe it as much as possible, and it will generate a beautiful presentation for you, your stakeholders, etc. This tool works for free in the browser, just like Figma does, has collaboration features just like Figma, and you can basically work in a team with these expressive emojis, etc. A lot of pre-built templates that you can work around with, so you can change a template or change a layout. And also they have these adaptive designs. Presentation will look different on a browser or on a laptop, and it will look different on a mobile. So it's mobile-friendly presentations, very interactive, have all these animations and transitions that you can add. And the fact that you can start off just by typing in a prompt is really, really cool. They're a really cool startup which is doing a lot of hard work. So, I mean, go check out this platform, support their business, and of course, try it for free. I think I always love these AI presentation tools because the presentations are a pain to design sometimes. They take a lot of time and effort, and this can really help designers and creatives get things done faster. Now, talking about inspiring stuff, let's take a look at Live. This is a platform where you can actually see what designers have shared, just like on Dribbble or Behance. Not only can you see you can scroll through this nice interface. You just scroll down the scroll wheel. You will go to the next project. And once you find a project cool, you can always you can always copy this design into your Figma, which is a really nice touch. I mean, you're not wasting any time. You're getting inspiration and taking it right into Figma. Now, what's cool is that you can get a platform to showcase your designs, and also people can check out your portfolios and connect with you, message you and stuff like that on this platform. I love platforms like UI Live, which are bringing concepts like Dribbble back, but in a nice, unique, new format. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for videos just like this every week. Also, hit the thumbs up if you like the video. I mean, that's the best appreciation you give me, and that's one of the few ways you can support the channel. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Until next time, take care. God bless.